Welcome to Session 18. Rational and radical equations require special care because algebra can create forbidden or extraneous candidates. Today, we list restrictions, clear denominators, isolate radicals, square, and check. Before clearing fractions, list every value that makes an original denominator 0. Then, cross-multiply if there is one fraction equal to one fraction. Cross-multiplication works for one fraction equal to one fraction. If there is a sum of fractions, multiply every term by the LCD. Sometimes the only algebraic candidate is forbidden. If clearing denominators gives x equals 1, but the original equation excludes 1, the equation has no solution. For work rate problems, convert times to rates. A 6-hour pipe has rate 1/6 of a tank per hour. Rates add when both pipes work together. For radical equations, isolate the radical and inspect signs before squaring. Squaring can create extra candidates, so check each candidate in the original equation. Your turn. Solve square root of x plus 5 equals 4. Pause, square both sides, and check the result. Squaring gives x plus 5 equals 16, so x equals 11. Checking gives square root 16 equals 4, so 11 works. Session 18 recap. List original denominator restrictions first. Use an LCD for sums of fractions. Reject forbidden rational candidates. Isolate radicals before squaring. And check every radical candidate in the original equation.